Okay, so I'm answering your question with a video. Here's your gallery. If you go on your gallery and you decide you want to have, let's see, you're going to get this picture here. You want to buy, hit the buy button there, and then you can just pick 4x6. These prints are just straight prints. You'll see if you pick a 4x6, it doesn't need anything, but if you pick a 5x7, you have to move it around because it's not the native aspect from the camera. And then you add that to the cart. And then wall art has standout prints and gallery framed, metal frame, the frame canvas, wood frame, bamboo panel, acrylic, wood prints. Wood prints don't print very vibrant, so be careful if you choose that. And there's also cards if you want to do an announcement to announce you guys are married. You can send them from here too. And then the wall art, like a standard gallery frame. If you pick that and you want 11 by 14 with a black wood frame. Luster is the kind of the standard to pick for paper. And if you want a matte, pick the color of the matte. The double is that has that edge to it. You can see down on the base. I'm pointing. You can't see me point. And then it'll have create your frame. And then you have the same thing here where you crop it. So if you didn't want that and you want it to be right about there. And then you do an add to cart. And you have to just put your email in to save it, and that should do it. And then you'll see stuff in the cart for yourself. And the minimum order is $20. So this should be good. Let me know if you need any help. If you want anything in metal, I have an amazing metal printer, but you have to go directly through me. If you do it this way, you're going to get the prints sent directly to you from my printer, and it's a professional printer, so it's not the normal prints you get. They're really well done, and they take my color corrected pictures. There's no loss in it. So that's a way to get prints. And let me know if you want any in metal, because the aluminum prints are amazing. And I don't think, if I go back, I have that option in here. I think it just allowed me one option. So you can do really large prints as well. Okay, let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.